Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set vacation in your Google Calendar. So here I've already opened the Google Calendar on my browser. Then I'm going to mark the dates of my vacation. For example, I'm going to have a vacation on next week, so you can just select the date. For example, from the state like this 3 days. Then you can adjust here. There will be a pop-up. You can add a title vacation. Then yeah, this is the one, and here you can add guest and also add location if you want. And in here you can also click on this option to adjust more. You can uh set it on busy because you're on holiday, and you can also adjust the visibility. If you want to make other people know, you can make it as public so that they know that you are on holiday, so you can not be bothered by work or any other things. And after that, you can just click on save. Okay, you can also change like the color if you want. That this one is blue. For example, I want to change it into red like this, and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.